One signing is taking place between Ministry of Education and Training with the government of Japan. Signing a hemico towards rebuilding one primary school along North Pentecost. You got more report. With them requests from Vanuatu government from Japan through long ambassador from him long country, he join him hand with the Ministry of Education and Training from rebuilding Lablutamata Primary School from North Pentecost. Hemi one primary school we been damaged long time from Cyclone Lola long October last year. Ambassador from Japan long country His Excellency Noai Shaukuta, Honorable Minister of Education and Training Samson, he put pen long paper mo sign ng agreement we mani plong hem ikasem 37,900,000 mo 350 Vatu. Long official speech plong hem His Excellency Okuda italem se new construction plong building pambahemi sa sustain him all future disaster. Hemitalem se Japan ni looking importance plong education plong all pikinini long all time all sem.
Japan firmly believes that education is a fundamental pillar of development, a human right, and a crucial foundation for enabling individuals to achieve their full potential.
Hemitalem se project hemi contribute to long National Sustainable Plan long Vanuatu long 2030. With him hemi Honorable Samson, italem thank you long Japanese government from funding Mohemi ask all people plong mas look out good project
Honorable people Rebuild Pentecost. And then especially the school do you. Stamalot blame was follow education to be receive one new agreement. Remember you lana be benefit. So development you must kill them. Look out good, accuse them.
Chairman plong Lablutamata School hemi present to long time plong signing Solomon ngari talem se project hemi answerem cry plong all people plong North Pentecost.
Ambassador, you wipe them tears for cry from money will you give him. And we believe say by house way, by only building, by resistance law or cyclone ventilation.
Director plong policy mo planning plong ministry Cordon John italem sel work process pambahemi start negis manis kaseme eli negis ia.
October ba manikam. Tayo manikam by mevla control no mo la common procurement process. Lo yumi select one builder. Lo builder ya mi go building 3 classrooms ya lo Lablutamata.
Funding hemi kam under long grant plong grassroots human security project plong Japanese government. Tiffany Baldwin, VBTC News.